Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's crazy video, I'll be showing you how to draw a hybrid version of the D-Rex and a shark. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our D-Rex shark hybrid, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right over here and I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of curve up and down like this. Then we're just going to make a little circle shape right inside of there. Let's go ahead and add a few little lines right around it. Then we'll add a little line right above it. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of come out and then down like this. Then I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of come up and over. I'm going to curve this line down. And then we're going to bring this line down and in. Next, we're going to bring this line over and kind of curve it up for the jaw. Next, I'm going to curve this line around. Then I'm going to make a little dot right here for the nose with a little line around it. We'll curve a line back here with a couple little lines in there for some details. Then we're going to make some sharp pointed teeth along the top and along the bottom here. I'll make a couple more little lines here and then I'm going to bring this line over and down to here, and then I'm going to bring it back for like a big fin. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of curve up and down around here. And we're going to make some little lines here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here. I want to make a little line here and then one that's going to come up here, and we're going to kind of make it almost like a flipper shape. Then we're going to curve this line up and we'll kind of put another little flipper shape here and then curve it around. Now right here, I'm just going to make a little kind of like flipper shape curved out here and then another one here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up. I'm going to bring this line down and then come back here for the leg. We'll come down and curve this off to a point, and we'll make another one that's going to curve to a point here. Let's bring this line up and in here. Then we'll curve it around. We can go ahead and add some little claws on here. Next, I'm going to bring some little lines that are going to curve up here. I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to bring a line down here with a couple little points. And then we're going to curve this into here, leaving a little bit of space. Make a line that's going to come up with like a little notch in it, and then one that's going to come down with a little notch in it. Now right over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring this out and we're going to kind of curve this down with that little kind of flipper claw, and then the same thing here. Put a couple little lines and we're going to bring this back. Then for this leg, I'm just going to bring this line down and in. We'll kind of come down at an angle and then just kind of put one claw here and a little line up. Then we'll add a couple little curves for the claw. Now we got our basic shape done of our shark D-Rex hybrid. Let's kind of come in here and add some fun details. So I'm going to kind of start by making a long broken line here, and then another long broken line up here as well. Make some little lines kind of around the top and the bottom of the mouth, and then some little lines kind of coming up and down. A couple little lines here, so little lines around the jaw, and then a little line kind of right around here just to kind of show some detail. Make a little curved line here, another couple little lines right here by the face. I always like to add these extra little curved lines kind of around any arms or legs, just to show where there are some wrinkles and some movement. Then on places like the knee, just kind of add these little lines just to kind of show where the wrinkles of the knee would be. Do a few kind of little lines on here. And a couple little lines just kind of coming around the body up and down. Some little lines on here as well. And then some little lines on those little flippers, kind of where he would have those little tiny T-Rex arms. Make some lines coming up the body. And then some lines kind of going up and down the legs here. Make some more broken lines kind of coming down the tail area. And just making some little lines on here for some fun little details. And there you go, there is your drawing of a shark and D-Rex hybrid. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.